In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove files and folders from your Windows device. To remove a file or folder, simply right-click on the file that you want to remove. If you are on Windows 10, once you right-click on the file, simply click on Delete. If you are on Windows 11, click on Show More Options and click on Delete. This will not remove the file primarily from your computer. What it will do is that it will send the file to the recycle bin. To remove the file primarily from your computer, you got two options. The first option is to double click on the recycle bin to open it, then right click on the file, click on delete. Now, it will ask you if you want to remove the file primarily from your computer. Please check that the file that you are deleting doesn't contain any important information, as doing this, you will no longer be able to recover the file from your computer. Once you have checked that the file that you're deleting doesn't contain any important information, simply click on Yes to delete the file. The other option is to right click on the recycle bin and click on Empty Recycle Bin. And the third option is that you can remove the file completely from your computer without sending it to the recycle bin. To doing so, all you have to do is press the Shift key on your keyboard and press the Delete key on your keyboard. Shift key and Delete at the same time. Now you will get a notification prompt if you want to remove the file primarily from your computer. Yes, you can see the file was deleted without sending it to the recycle bin. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel for more tutorials like this one. This is Chris Technology and I'll be seeing you on the next video. Have a good day.